Got the rocker arms clean. I cleaned them a little yesterday. I let them soak in some lacquer thinner for probably about 2 or 3 hours, and that helped really get all the caked on oil and stuff off of them. I just let them soak a little bit in some ethanol lacquer mix while I went and got the other parts. I went and got my BTR Trunnion Kit. I believe it's a V2 kit. Had to find my snap ring pliers and set everything up. But now we're going to get ready to press them on. So these are what our rockers look like without any trunnions in them. So what we're going to do is we're going to press one in on this side. Then we're going to put the trunnion in, press the other one in, and put our snap rings on. So put this down on there. That's where it's kind of close. We want right there like that. Good. So then we want our bearings. They come in these nice little tubes. Nice. Okay, so we want the lettering facing out. Get our install washers. Trunnion. Rocker. Trunnion. Washer. Knock that out now. One retainer for each side. Grab one of our snap rings. There you have it. Trunnion installed. Not that hard. Definitely would get some better snap ring pliers on the Harbor Freight ones. They suck. Or these might actually be Harbor Freight sells these for like $7, the Pittsburgh brand, but I think this is a Amazon brand, which sucks just as bad. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep working here. And I'm going to knock out the rest of all the trunnions, and then we'll take a look at the cylinder head. I'm letting that soak. That's been soaking for about an hour now. So some ethanol and lacquer thinner. Don't know how many times I said that, but I'm going to keep saying it. And then we'll take a look at the motor. I tore it down a little more and got the lifters out and trays and stuff. And lifters didn't look too bad for 100,000 miles. They had a little bit of wear, but not too bad. So makes everything good. I did get the crank bolt off too finally. I struggled with it the other day. Had to order the weighted socket. But yeah, we'll take a look at that after I get done knocking out the rest of these trunnions. Alright, so I got my trunnion kit done. Not bad. Overall, pretty easy. Pretty tedious though. It does take quite a bit to get all the rockers done. But it's not bad. You save about $100 or so doing it yourself. Probably a little more. Somewhere in that ballpark. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm probably going to do for today. Is knock that out. I did pick up that, like I said, that Arbor Press from Harbor Freight for $70. If you can get the coupon, get it even cheaper. But it pretty much, it made it a breeze to do this. So we'll take a look at everything. I did get the motor tore down off camera. Everything looks really good, so shouldn't have any issues getting this all cleaned up and hopefully put back together. We are supposed to get some snow next week, so we'll see how it goes. But let's take a look. Alright, so yep, there's the rockers with the BTR Trunnion upgrade. Overall, not bad. I am going to soak these in some oil and store them because I don't know when I will be putting the heads back together. I do have the valves and stuff coming in next week. It's probably pretty loud with the heater going, but it is pretty warm right now. So actually, let me turn that off. There we go. I'll turn it off. This is the other head. I got one soaking. This one I didn't buy a big enough bin to soak both, so I'm gonna have to soak this one on its own. But yeah, got the front of the motor. I got the balancer off. Bought that weighted socket, the Lyle 24mm weighted socket. Took it off with the electric impact, no problem. Did the lifters. Got the lifters out. Got the lifter trays out. Threw the lifter trays away. Yeah, the cylinder walls don't look too bad. There is a little rust, but we'll take care of that with the hone. There's the lifters. So lifters have very minimal wear. They weren't too bad. Push rods, that coating is, I don't know if that's just the oil caked on, but I am going to replace those, so those will just get thrown away most likely. But yeah, the motor is sitting pretty good right now. Did have to throw the flywheel back on and buy the tool because I did try to break it by hand and couldn't break it by hand. So yeah, so pretty much this is where we're going to stop. Well, I'm going to stop for today. Depending on what time the valve springs and stuff get here tomorrow, I might work on it a little bit. Yeah, this is our cylinder head. It is soaking. So I did clean it a little bit, but you can already see the retainers. They aren't even submerged. I just splashed on them. I did hit them a little bit with the brass brush. So this is about 1 gallon of lacquer thinner and 3 gallons of, or 3.5 gallons of ethanol. Just letting it soak. Paid $7 for this container that It's probably going to be only used for this. I do have the stock bolts soaking. I'm going to keep them. You never know. Sloppy Mechanics reuses them. So, you never know. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're going to end it for today. This one will get soaked when that one is done. Hopefully that one's done. I'm going to let it soak till tomorrow, pull it out, and then clean it. This I'm going to cover up. Those I'm going to get in some oil and let those soak. And then hopefully we can start assembling at least the other head and this head. Hopefully we can start assembling it tomorrow, maybe Sunday. We'll see how the weather is. That kind of does that. Heater does kind of keep it pretty warm in here, which it's nice. Even with the door open, it's tolerable in shorts and a hoodie. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you want to follow along and learn along with me. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching.